smoke.
Yeah. I love how it gives a little thumb sound, and then you get this.
It's the one where you can hear the boom coming off the echo coming off the multi-building. It sounds like Sandy fired his cannon.
Oh, right. I tell you, this is an excellent spot, man.
Yeah, we can see 90% of it, or
Yep.
80 anyway. So.
We thought a minute ago was a finale.
Ooh, look at that. That is really something.
Wow!
It's not super high, but that's pretty awesome.
Oh my Gideon! Look at that. Oh, you did well. You did well with these. Oops, it's not even finished.
No, that wasn't big enough. There's a nice high one, see?
Look at the noise, man.
Ooh, I love it. Almost like a heart. Green ring inside a red ring.
Yeah.
No, that was fantastic. They're like those lucite lights.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Where it's white and the tips are red.
Yeah.
It's exactly like that. I can't remember what those are called.
I tell you, the lights look like they're coming straight for you. And they're hanging in the sky.
Good night for it. There's virtually no breeze. I'd be pretty shocked if this wasn't it.
My arm's aching. It better be it.
You could rest your elbow
I could.
on the rail. Oh,
This has to be the finale. It has to be.
it's starting to sound like it.
Oh. Woo.
Oh, that'll be a loud one. Boom.
Boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Woo.
Jesus.
Oh my God. Wow.
Okay. That's a finale.
Happy Canada Day. Whoa.
Wow.
Wow. Oh my God. Yep.